Hey art friends, we're so glad you're with us with another drawing lesson. What are we drawing today?
Palm tree.
A palm tree. Yeah, it's a tall tree with coconuts at the top.
Yeah.
We hope you're gonna follow along. You got something to draw with and some paper. Yeah. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're gonna start by drawing the ground down here at the bottom. We're gonna draw a little curve like that. That could be the beach. Let's draw it. You could just draw it right in the middle. Yeah. Now we're gonna draw the tree curving up to the top. So we're gonna draw a big curve coming down to the bottom. And I drew it coming out of the ground right there and curving up to the middle of our paper so that we have room to draw the big palm leaves. Oh, I like how curvy your line is.
It's windy.
It's windy. Now we're gonna draw the other side of our trunk. So we're gonna start close, but watch this. We're gonna start close up at the top, but down here at the bottom, look, I'm getting further away, so it's thicker down here at the bottom. So start close and then get a little thicker. Yeah, you did it. Now we're gonna draw our palm leaves up at the top of our tree, and we're gonna put a point right here, right in the middle, in between these two lines. That's where we're gonna start all of our leaves. So we're gonna draw one curve that comes down like this. Look at that, looks like a boat, the bottom of a boat. Yep, and then we're gonna curve back to that point. Boop. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Now let's do another one on the other side. We're gonna draw a big curve, looks like the bottom of a boat. Yeah, then we're gonna draw the top of the leaf, or the other side of the leaf. Okay, now let's do that at least 2 more times. We're gonna draw another curve, comes out, and then back in. Actually, I think we do it 3 more times if you have room. Good job. Maybe you just have room for another one. So let's draw, I'm gonna draw one more that comes up and then back down. And I'm gonna do one that comes up over here and back in. And you could just do one more if you want. Yeah, cool. You have room for another one in there. Go ahead and add another leaf. Big palm leaf. That one's really big. I like it. Okay, now on each of these leaves, let's add another curve right down the middle. Is that neat?
Yeah.
We're going to draw on each of the leaves. Now, if we ever go too fast and our friends need more time, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need more time to finish a step, you could always pause the video. Cool. Yes. One. Yeah, there we go. Now, on each of these leaves, we can add a couple more lines. Watch this. I'm going to add like 2 lines like that. You could even do one on the other side. Is that neat?
Yeah.
You can just do them randomly. You don't have to fill the whole leaf. Just add a couple on each side. All right, now that part we fast forwarded so you guys at home can pause the video to take the time to draw those extra lines on our leaves. Now we're gonna draw curves going down the trunk of our tree. And I'm gonna draw them curved like this. Look, I'm curving down, and this makes our trunk look 3D or round. It makes it look more realistic instead of just flat. Is that cool?
Yeah.
And you can leave some space in between them. You don't have to draw them really close, just like that. Good job. You could even add one more right there. And you guys at home, if you wanted, you could also add coconuts to this tree. But let's leave them off. You could draw clouds in the background. Maybe, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a few little rocks down here at the bottom. Or maybe they're even coconuts. You could draw them bigger for coconuts. But I'm just going to add little rocks down here at the bottom. And we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we still need to color our palm trees. They're gonna look so much better once we color them. Now this part we were gonna fast forward, but you guys can pause it again to match the same coloring at the end. Or you can use your creativity and color your palm trees any way you want. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Good job, dude. Give me 5. You did awesome coloring your palm tree, and we used light green and dark green to color the leaves, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like the light side is where the sun is shining, and the dark side is the shadow.
Yeah.
The dark side.
We hope you have fun drawing your palm trees.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun following along with us and drawing your own palm trees. Now, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Our drawings look different, don't they?
Yeah.
And your drawing still looks amazing. What's the most important thing?
To have fun.
Yes, to have fun and to practice. I also want to challenge you to change your drawings to add more stuff. You could color a background, you could add clouds, you could even draw an ocean next to your palm tree.
Yeah.
You could draw 2 palm trees. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.